To run a test in Axon, you need to log in. There's a couple of different ways you can start running a test. There's a test library button at the top, or you can click the Run a Test button right in the middle of the screen. Both will bring up a dialog allowing you to select what type of test you'd like to run. Based on that type selection, you can select the test that's appropriate. And now you're in the traffic player. Now we need to configure the traffic player for this test. You can see the tracks we have here in the playlist. You can pick and choose what tracks you want. You can remove them, you can add new ones. You can configure the amount of traffic as a percentage for each of the tracks that you added to the playlist. And then you can select the ports that you want to use. Here we're showing the same Axon running a transmit and receive. You could select a different Axon. Configure each one of those ports. Here we've just used the default TCP/IP v4 configuration. You can customize the configuration. You can set the traffic bandwidth, and in this case, since it's a QoS test, you can select your DSCP setting. That's pretty much it. That's the basics. Just click the play button. The test will be validated for proper configuration, and assuming it passes validation, the test will start running. You'll see that the test results immediately start to come in, and you can see those in real time. Here we're showing total bandwidth, but you can also look at specific transport data, such as packet loss. Here in this case, a very simple test. We're not seeing any packet loss. We are seeing a little bit of latency. That's to be expected with some network devices in the mix. And when the test completes, you'll see a details button highlight, and here you can see summary information and even print or export that information out to CSV for you to manipulate on your own. You can then save the test if you want to run this specific configuration again. You can give it whatever name you'd like. You can make it a favorite. Once that's done saving, if you go back to the dashboard, you can actually see your favorite tests. You see there our backbone network QoS performance test is. That's all there is to running a test in Axon.